Colombia, Brazil, or Thailand? What's your favorite in order and why?
Thailand.
Thailand number one?
Yeah.
Why?
Thailand, because the cost of living, the English is like probably the game changer for me. Since most of the women speak English, it's kind of easier. I don't gotta like pull out Portuguese or Spanish or none of that. I can just speak English. I don't know. I think that kind of helped me get more of a connection or chilling. It's safer than both of those places. Way safer. Then I'm gonna do Brazil because of the beaches. And I like the look of the women more. Physically, Brazil is the top of my list.
Welcome to Thailand. We have very fresh fruits. Very nice country. Everything is good for you.
Everything good?
Yes, please. Welcome to 115 on the beach road.
Yeah, on Beach Road, 104,
Yes, 115. Welcome.
115, 115. Sorry, Carl. This for me? Stop doing, Carl.
115 card.
Okay.
Yes, please.
That's where you come, 115.
115.
Man, even the coconut lady can get it. Come on. I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man, Richie Mack, the Travel OG.
Man, so I'm doing my thing, and guess who popped up on my feed?
What up, what up, what up? BMT, Black Man Travels. This guy helped me out when I first started putting Zoom to Thailand on the map. He let me rock on his channel, and now it's time for me to rock back with him. So y'all make sure to check him out. He's been to Colombia, he's been to Brazil, and now he's here with me in Thailand. We sat down for lunch, and I pressed him on what he thought was the best place to stay out of Brazil, Colombia, and Thailand. But I needed to know in order what he thought was the best. We sat down with a couple other brothers from Thailand that's also been to Brazil, Colombia, and Thailand. Shout out to John JJ. One of these brothers even shared his experience about being robbed in one of these countries. Can you guess which one? We want you to write in and tell us, do you agree? Do you disagree? And what do you think is the best place to be out of Brazil, Colombia, and Thailand? We gonna see what it do, man. We got the brothers in Thailand. What's this you got, Josh? What you get?
That's that blue Hawaii. It's Italian soda.
Is it bomb?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
We got Mr. BMT himself, Aaron Ferris. How's the gumbo?
Gumbo is good.
We having gumbo in Thailand, so you know, y'all, people that's real from the States, like having gumbo, you mess it up, people gonna talk bad about you.
You already know. I'm from the South. You know we're gonna talk bad about you. About gumbo. We go back and forth. But I will say that Louisiana does got the best gumbo.
It better, it's where it started
Yeah,
at.
they got the best gumbo.
Louisiana got the best
We try
food.
to imitate it, but
Right, you can try, but it ain't the same. The owner's from Louisiana, so that's why it's so good. These bigger than me, man. Shoot, this dude right here.
got it. But you know, because I looked at like YouTube is funny. If you don't hit them in a while, like a couple of weeks,
Yeah, they gone.
They go away.
Facts.
YouTube's crazy though, because you can search something new now. Like just a few times, and then I'm already like,
yeah, it'll reflect everything. I was catching you, I was catching CD Media, I was catching a couple of people that are local, Dum Dum Media and all them. Now, unless I go to you, you don't come up anymore.
You hear that, guys? This algorithm is a tricky thing, so make sure to hit the notification bell so you can get all of my videos, because you don't want to miss nothing I'm going to give you. You dig?
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Let me see you shake it. You turn me on, baby, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And let me see you shake it. You turn me on. Gotta get my mind blowing. The way you tease me, I can't ignore it. Love it like I enjoy it. I shook shakara, give to have it pour it. I say you got me hypnotized. Why you? Why you? You never got me thinking twice. I said, why you? Why you?
Travel OG in the building, John. What it do, baby?
I was just doing too much. I was like I got to the point where I was having too much fun. I was forgetting to like make videos. I was like,
Dude, you 29. You have the right to have fun. You have the right to get it in.
but there's a lot of stuff I couldn't really like just pull out. Like, you know, out here, there's stuff that be happening. I would like to show people this, but I can't.
Right. That's what the Patreon's for.
Yeah, they shut mine down. I don't know why.
You shut your Patreon down?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
Why? They said,
You said it to you, bro.
I didn't, bro. I didn't have no videos. I didn't have no videos of
No warnings or nothing? No warning? They just shut it down?
no, it just suspended the joint. Said check the guidelines. I went through the guidelines. I was like, I didn't do nothing.
Shout out to my Patreon members. I'll be at y'all in a minute.
The women to me are nicer.
What we talking about? What we talking about?
Sao Paulo Brazil.
Sao Paulo, Brazil. Okay.
Way better than me.
What?
Not even.
Sao
So man,
Paulo?
you spent 3 months there.
I heard people say that.
So man, you spent 3 months there.
Okay.
It's a total different vibe. Total different vibe. Now, I like Rio for the beach. But after that, the women, the cost of living, the housing, the crime rate. The crime is I'm gonna tell you
Go
though.
way better too.
You go to Bahada Juka, that might change your mind.
Now, I haven't been. Everybody told me about it. That's near the capital, right? The
No, that's in Rio. It's in Rio.
Oh, it's in Rio. Okay.
It's like maybe 10 minutes from Casino Portola.
I heard you talk about that on your stream.
Yeah, it's kind of like the usually the Orlando vibe, but it's people in English out there. And it's like you can talk to women. You don't have that sex tourist vibe. You know, Copacabana, everybody's assuming that's what he does.
Yeah.
So it's hard to talk to a regular chick. You know what I'm saying?
I gotta re-ask the question.
Okay, go ahead.
Colombia, Brazil, or Thailand? What's your favorite in order and why?
Like Thailand.
Thailand number one?
Yeah.
Why?
Thailand because the cost of living, the English is like probably the game changer for me. Since most of the women speak English, it's kind of easier. I don't gotta like pull out Portuguese or Spanish or none of that. I can just speak English. I don't know. I think that kind of helped me get more of a connection and chilling. It's safer than both of those places. Way safer. Then I'm gonna do Brazil because of the beaches. And I like the look of the women more. Physically, Brazil is the top of my list. And then I'm gonna do Colombia.
Okay,
They like 2A and 2B.
Okay. Now we ask Mr. Black Man Travels himself. You have 3 countries. And you can throw DR in there if you want to. You have Thailand, you have Brazil, you have Colombia. What's your favorite places in order and why?
I'm gonna say Colombia number 1. Colombia just is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. The women are like, man, they're amazing out there. You can get any experience you want. You can get a girlfriend, you can get a wife. I mean, they dope out there in Colombia. There's Venezuelan women, a lot of Venezuelan women out there as well. So Colombia is dope.
Is it a certain part of Colombia or are you saying the whole
Medellin, I'm
country?
talking about pretty much Medellin.
Okay.
I love Medellin. Definitely got to speak a little Spanish. That helps a whole lot. But just the experience you have with the women and the people in Colombia is hella dope. Coming in number 2, I'm gonna say Thailand. I'm gonna say here. Thailand too. Thailand beats Brazil, man.
You just touched down. You already.
Just touched down. I love Brazil. I really do love Brazil. I love the culture. I love the beaches. But Brazil for me, it's cool. You know what I'm saying? I love it. I had a really good experience in Brazil. But as soon as I took out of Thailand, I immediately fell in love with it. Now the women, as far as the women's concerned, Brazil do have the best looking women in the world, hands down. But there's a caveat to that. A lot of them are really into themselves. You know what I'm saying? They're really body conscious, work out a whole lot. It's a really hookup culture there, dating culture there. So if you're a single guy, you just want to hook up with a whole bunch of women, Brazil's the place for you. Coming in number 3, I'm gonna say Brazil. But it's close. Brazil.
Brazil and Colombia close, or Brazil and Thailand close?
Brazil and Thailand close. Colombia always has my heart, man. I have a lot of friends in Colombia. I have like family in Colombia. Man, I go to Colombia and I'm just well taken care of by everybody. Colombia's been a place. We rock out there in Colombia, man. Because in Colombia, you gotta kind of move in a social circle.
Right.
Because it is a little dangerous.
I was just about to say, have you ever been robbed in Colombia?
I have never been robbed, you know what I'm saying?
What about Brazil?
No.
You never been robbed? JJ got robbed in Brazil. He took it like a man. He took it on the champ. He just gave it up, turned it loose.
With a girl.
How you get robbed, JJ? He still got more food coming. JJ like me, he get a little bit of everything.
Everybody trying to call America.
So tell us, so you got robbed, what happened, bro?
Me and a girl, away from the tourist area, downtown area of Brazil, walking around, and it was kind of our fault. Because if you know anything about downtown, after business, downtown is safe to around about 6:30. Yeah, Rio. There were certain parts. We were down in the business part. And because most businesses stop and then you got about an hour or two while I police our traffic. For some reason, I don't know what it was, we started walking around. We got to Rio about 7, right at that dusk, right before 7. And we realized, turned the corner, before we could get to a cab, this came out. Got a knife, 2 of them. I didn't even have to say nothing. As soon as you saw him, I knew the deal. I think it was kind of funny to him in a way. Because as soon as I saw him, he looked at me, I looked at him. I did 30 years on for it. So I know that. I already knew that.
You did the right thing.
Yeah, he didn't have to.
But I was just about to say, you didn't tell him he was a police officer? He robbed a police officer.
Dude, I did it so quick. He was almost like, dude, you have to wait for me to rob you.
What do you guys think? Do you think Thailand should be number 1 or Brazil or Colombia? Let us know what you think. Don't forget to bang that notification bell because you know they forgetting about me out here in Thailand. But that's all I got to say for now. You know what's coming next, right? Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
Okay, you ready? So the question is Brazil, Colombia, and Thailand in order and why?
I'm gonna throw a monkey wrench into it.
Huh?
Y'all forgetting about another place. Vietnam. If it hadn't been for COVID, I might be in Vietnam. People are surprised at how many people speak English there. They like black men. Well, that's what it feels like. But Vietnam in particular, because of the GI. Now, some just hate all foreigners. But the ones that appreciate foreigners, appreciate the black GIs. Because they tell you, the black GIs treated them nicer. And Vietnam is really in the black culture. It's a prize.
But you gotta get back to the question though. We're trying to find out Brazil, Colombia, and Thailand in order and why. That's what we're on.
Right now, because I'm in Thailand, got a wife and a kid, Thailand is good.